Good morning, Eagles. I'm Sebastian.
And I'm Tori. Let's get on with the news. We hope that the boys and girls soccer teams did well against Shawnee. We'll have highlights on next week's show. We'd also like to wish the teams good luck on Monday as they take on Northwood. The girls will be home and the boys away.
Let's take a look at the lunch menu today. We are having chicken tenders, spaghetti with meat sauce, broccoli, oatmeal raisin cookie, diced peaches, Mediterranean salad, and a dipping sauce cup.
It's time to take a look at today's weather forecast. Today there's a high of 66 and a low of 51. There's also a chance of thunderstorms, so be careful if you're outside after school.
We are now collecting bunny grams. They cost $1 a piece, so make sure you buy some. Next week we will also have a 4-day week, no school for Good Friday, which means Easter is coming.
The student ambassadors have made a video to remind you to fill out your kindness passes. Let's take a look.
Hey, can I help you?
Yes, thank you.
Here, let me get the door for you. Oh, thank you so much. Hey, do you know where Mr. Samuel's room is? Yeah, it's just down that hallway. Okay, thank you. Bye. Mr. Lund, I like your outfit today.
Well, thank you very much.
Our advanced digital media students have finished their most recent project, 1-minute commercials. Let's take a look at the commercial Keikos.
Cookies, come get your cookies. Does anybody want to buy Keiko cookies? Why does nobody ever want to buy my cookies? Cookies, get your cookies.
Hold up, Terry. This is an obnoxious kid.
Do you want to buy my cookies,
No!
ma'am? Buy my cookies, Karen!
No, and I'm not a carrot.
1 week later.
Why does nobody ever buy my cookies?
Hey. Yeah, you. Can you bring me some cookies?
I hope she likes my cookies. 3, 2.
Girl, can you hurry up?
You hit me. Now you have to buy my cookies.
Fine.
Yippee! That'll be $3.
Bye.
Several months later.
No one will buy my cookies. Wait, I have an idea. I gotta sell these cookies.
It's time for my favorite part of the show, dad jokes. What do clouds wear? Thunderwear.
That joke was alright, but I could do better. I used to hate facial hair, but then it grew on me.
That's kind of funny. We'd like to end today's show with a video from our 6th grade group called Fried Chicken Stealer. And as always, remember, Eagles soar high.
Moving forward.
Try the other way. And go. Beautiful.
Dude, this one doesn't look like I love. Yeah, I love. I know, right?
Come on, guys. We have the big line here.
Order up. We're going as fast as we can. We may need another fryer.
Where's my order? It's not here.
I put the order right here. I thought you took it.
I think that guy over there took it.
How can we keep our orders from getting stolen?
I think I have a plan.
set up a chicken stand. That chicken was so juicy and tender, you have to try it. So who's Brian? I'm broke. Bro, they were so busy yesterday, they didn't even notice when I swiped one of the boxes.
How about I get in line to order while you sneak up and do your thing? When I see you're clear, I'll slide out.
All right, bet.
Thank you. What would you like to order today?
I'll take the super spicy deluxe box of chicken, the side of mac and cheese, and the biscuits.
We got a super spicy order.
Order up.
Where are my biscuits? I ordered biscuits, you guys are messing up my order. I paid this much for biscuits and chicken and macaroni, but I can't even get them. You call this mac and cheese? This is so watery. Order the mac and cheese and have the whole thing in there.
That's why you feel like the refrigerator.
I'm not paying for this. You guys went screwed up my order. I'm telling all my friends not to come here.
Water!
How much is gonna be chicken? It's so hot.
That's what you get.
How about I get in? Oh my goodness. How about I get in line while you're sneaking up?
What would you like to order today?
Alright, cut.
Super spicy order.
You call this mac and cheese? Oh no. Bro, where is my whole order? You messed up my whole order, but bro, you messed up my whole order and put the chicken in.
That's why you feel like a refrigerator. This is the test shot.
Have mercy on me, chicken. It's so hot. I don't like that.